Hello everyone, this is Joe. I'm your toaster freak. So today we're recreating a problem that was sent to me in an email, and they have a toaster that won't function. And I was assuming that there was a power problem in one of these connections here, because this toaster actually had a power problem, and well, it doesn't really matter. But regardless, you can see I've adjusted this toaster so it doesn't work. I hit the trigger, nothing happens. Now if I come up here and I perform the test as I showed before, I can push that in and it works. Well, it's not working properly, but it is working. So the issue is the adjusting screw right down here. See if I can, yeah, there we go. So this screw here adjusts this bimetal strip in here. Now then, in order to solve this problem, all that's necessary, let's make sure that's at the top, is you get a proper wrench. This is a 3/32 hex key, and we just turn this half a turn to the counterclockwise. Now that we've done that, poof, works normally. Now then, you still have to set the actual doneness, testing it with red, but the toaster now works, and all it amounts to is that this screw is too tight. Okay.